it's Stushy and your girl Stushy back with another video for all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stushy. Hey, how you doing? To all my return subscribers, welcome back to the channel. We're happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So today I am bringing you a review, a demo. I just recently, and I mean today, my package came in. The item launched on Morphe's website. If you don't already know what I'm talking about, the 25 Alive in Color palette from Morphe. So they created this palette to represent the LGBTQ community, and I felt like I had to get it. I saw the color scheme and I was like, ooh, I need, especially for summer, and it's supporting a good cause. So I figured, why not? Happy to say I was one of the first people on the website. At least I think I was one of the first people on the website, and I bought it at work. Okay, I had to stop everything that I was doing and I cashed out. There was a brush set that they also created for this drop, or for this launch, but I didn't pick up the brush set because honestly I have way too many brushes that I have to wash on an everyday basis or on a weekly. So I just figured, let me just get the palette. When you pull it out, this is what she looks like. It is gorgeous, and I'm so happy that they didn't use the generic black Morphe packaging, because really and truly we're tired of it. We need some color in our lives. This is a rainbow packaging. I do see my fingerprints definitely ending up on the white portions of it, but I think that it can be wiped off with like a makeup wipe or something, so I'm not too upset about it. But let me open it up for you. This is what she looks like inside. Look at that. Pretty. And it comes with a mirror. Don't look on my makeup desk. It comes with a mirror. Now we know Morphe palettes normally don't come with a mirror. My Jaclyn Hill palette did not come with a mirror. I don't have this James Charles palette, but being that I didn't get that one, I wanted to get another colorful palette, and this one I felt like was perfect. Perfect size, not too big, definitely great for travel, and it has a mirror. I cannot be more happy about that. I haven't actually swatched any of them as yet. I like the color scheme of it. You have a lot of oranges, you have the greens, you have some blues, some purples, and you have a white that I'm loving, and you have a black. So we definitely need that in the palette. And there are a few shimmers. I'm excited. I must note the names that they chose: Pride, Stonewall, NYC, Parade, 1978, Love Wins. Like, whoever chose these names, Sexuality, they did their thing. A lot of these obviously represent, you know, the LGBTQ community. Stonewall, I've actually been there during the Pride parade. I've passed by it during the Pride parade, but all of these names, you know, just are very true to what the palette is supposed to be representing. So I really love that. So on my eyes, I do have concealer, and I then went in and set it with some translucent powder. I'm also going to use, you know, some translucent powder underneath my eyes because my face is already done, and I don't want to, you know, disturb any of the makeup that has already been put down. So I look crazy. And as usual, I don't really have an idea as to what I will be doing, but nonetheless, I'm gonna go for it. Going in with Pride, and I'm gonna use that as my transitional shade. There's definitely some fallout. Morphe products usually have some fallout, so I'm mad at it. Also blending it down into my crease. This palette's kind of heavy though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It is a little heavy. Can you guys see that? It's like a soft orange. Okay, that blended out really nicely. Now I'm gonna be going in with Life, and honestly I think it's gonna give me some life. I'm gonna pop it right in my crease. It's giving me vampire vibes. I like this red. working it in my outer V as well. Ooh, yes. I'm just going back and forth with each brush, trying to make sure everything is blended nicely. I am seeing just a little bit of kickback, but nothing too crazy. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of cut creasing, and instead of having you guys watch me struggle through it, I'm gonna speed it up, okay? I really want to go in with a shimmer, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with Stonewall. I feel like I must use this shade. I'm not going to wet my brush. I'm just going to see what it does without me wetting it. To me, this feels like a pressed pigment. It's pretty though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so for the second eye, I'm going to wet my brush. Okay, a little bit more oomph. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling it with the wet brush. What do you guys think? Okay. Let me wet it again real quick and spruce up the other eye. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera, but there's definitely a difference with it wet. Now I'm just going back in with Life and popping it right in here to have everything merge well. That's cute, y'all. I think that's really cute. I do want to add some color underneath my eyes, I think. That got smoky real quick. So I went ahead and popped 1978 and a little bit, just a little bit of milk in my inner corner. Give it a little pop. Did anyone realize that I don't have any nails on? My camera bailed, so I had to re-record on another day, but I am using some pink liner as mascara, and I'm also using a glitter liner in my crease to cut it. The brush for this is not as precise, so it's kind of hard, but to the best of my ability. Lashes. So gang, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video using the 25L palette. I really enjoyed using the palette. It is melanin friendly. Be sure to look out for more videos from me using this palette because there are a lot of great colors, I believe, for summer. I mean, look at it. It retailed for $20. I snagged it at $28 after shipping and everything, shipping and handling and on taxes and all that stuff. There is some fallout. I will say that Morphe palettes, to me, at least all my Morphe palettes have fallout, but they are rather pigmented, so I again don't mind the fallout. I would definitely recommend it. I saw a lot of people comparing it to the James Charles palette. I personally don't have that palette. I thought about getting it, but then I saw this and I'm like, I mean, why not? I know both of them are rather colorful. I feel like $20 is not bad, and I always like to have a lot of different options in my collection, so it's really up to you. But I personally really enjoy the colors. I think that this can stand alone. I can bring this, you know, just as is, and you know, create many looks from it. I'll actually be bringing it with me on my trip to New York City this week. So yeah, I really enjoyed this palette. I got some makeup like right on here. You guys might not be able to see it, but I could just wipe it off. It's coming off rather easily, maybe with like a makeup wipe or something. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, that way you can become a part of the Stush gang, and also be sure to click the notification bell button, that way YouTube can notify you every single time your girl uploads a brand new video. They will alert you, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.